In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage a full-width slideshow in Wix to enhance your website's visual appeal and functionality. Let's get started by diving into the Wix editor, which is where the magic happens. Begin by opening up your Wix editor. You'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the Add Elements option. This menu is your gateway to various design elements, and under the Interactive section, you'll find full-width slideshows. Full-width slideshows are a fantastic tool, perfect for grabbing your audience's attention with dynamic content that spans the entire width of the page. Once you've found full width in the menu, you can either click to add or simply drag the slideshow directly onto your page, whichever feels more intuitive for you. After you've added the slideshow to your page, it's time to manage the slides. Click directly on the newly added slideshow, which will bring up the option to Manage Slides. Selecting this brings up a variety of choices. You can add new slides if you want to increase the content or delete ones that no longer serve your vision. There's also the option to rename the slides, which is particularly useful for keeping track of them when building larger presentations. If you prefer a different order, simply drag the dots beside each slide to rearrange them until they're just right. Now let's turn our attention to setting the perfect backdrop for your slides to really make them pop. To change a slide's background, click on the slide you wish to modify. You'll see the option for Change Slide Background. From here, your creativity can truly shine. You can choose a still image to convey a particular mood, select a color for a minimalist feel, or opt for a video background for something more dynamic and engaging. Remember, the right background can greatly influence how your content is perceived. Finally, we'll refine your slideshow with some finishing touches by adjusting the settings. Click on Settings, which will give you control over various features. Configure Autoplay to automatically rotate through slides and decide on the amount of time each one is displayed. You can also select transition effects that control how slides move from one to the next, adding an extra layer of polish to your presentation. Lastly, consider whether you want to show or hide navigation arrows and buttons, which can enhance user interaction and allow visitors to explore the slideshow at their own pace. Throughout this process, you'll be making decisions on the look and feel of your slideshow, aligning it with your website's overall theme and purpose. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage the power of full-width slideshows in Wix to create visually compelling and interactive web experiences. Now it's your turn to experiment with these tools and breathe life into your site.